Let's start this all-over warm-up with a march and move down the body. Arms first. Let's clap in a pattern. Listen for the cues from the teacher to clap at different levels. Clap high or low, or any direction you want to go. Now, change the pattern with arm stretches. Stretch out in every direction. You can create your own warm-up pattern. Keep them simple. Repeat patterns so the students can succeed. Loosen up the shoulders with arm circles. Make them big and slow. Go forward or try backward. Then try it at full speed. Pat a cake, hands, knees, or whatever you please. Now, how did the water get inside? Better swim for it with the front crawl, the back crawl, and underwater.